welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, in today's video, we'll be talking about ARI Chain. And if you're still accumulating your ARI tokens, then congratulations to you. The team is actively building something big for the token generating events. You know what it is? That's your CGE. It is really on fire. The web is on fire. So, if you are accumulating the token, keep accumulating it. But if you've not started this platform, I'm gonna be telling you the step by step on what to do on this platform and how to start, how to register on this platform so that you will accumulate a lot of tokens. Now, this platform has one of the biggest dream ever. Okay, I've gone through the review. I'm following them on their platforms. They are one of the dream come true, so you do not have to skip on this platform. I'm right now on this tutorial. I'm going to be telling you the step by step on what to do, how to register, and how to join this platform. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to click on the subscription button, click on your notification bell, and get notified whenever I drop anything about different updates, including this update. So all we do on this platform is talk about business tips and money making updates. All right. And if you've not joined any of my groups, I'm going to be dropping it on the description of this tutorial. Please kindly join the WhatsApp group and the Telegram group, where you'll be seeing people who have the same perspective the way you want to know about money making updates. You're going to be seeing people who have the same idea with you. Then you guys will share perspectives together. So all we do here is talk about money making updates and business tip. Please, whatever update I drop here, do make sure you make your research properly before you invest your time or your money. Okay. All right, let's quickly dive into this update, this ARI chain. Now, all you have to do to the end of this tutorial is kindly sit back and stay to the end of this tutorial, because I'm going to be telling you the steps you take to start up with this ARI wallet. And if actually you have any idea, you have any question, please do not waste time to drop it on the comment section, because I'm going to be right here to attend to you. Okay. All right, let's quickly start on everything about this ARI chain. Okay, the first thing you're going to be doing on this ARI chain is I'm going to be dropping the link to this platform on the description of this tutorial. Please go ahead and click, then join this platform. Now, the first thing you do when you want to join this platform is, number one, put in your email. Okay, please let it be an active email. All right, so that whatever information that they are going to be giving you will be sent to the email. Then the number two is verify your email. Make sure you verify the email. Then how you're going to be verifying the email is, they will be sending, you will see a pop-up sentence saying you should click, and they'll be sending you a quick message to your email. Then kindly click, kindly copy the code they'll be sending to you, then come back right to the platform while you're registering, drop it there, then confirm it. Now, when it comes to the password on the registration of this platform, make sure you're starting your password with a capital letter. All right. When you start your platform with a capital letter, then at the end of the creation of the password, you end it with a special number. What do I mean by a special number? That's where you see your art, then Naira sign, that's the hashtag sign. So you can choose any of the special number at the end of your password creation. Okay. Then the next one you're going to be doing is, you will copy the invite code of whoever that invited you to this platform. Like I said, I'm going to be dropping the invite link of this platform on the description of this video. So quickly copy the invite code, and I'll still drop the invite code for you. Then you have a space on the platform where they're asking you to drop the invite code. Then go ahead and drop the invite code. Now, the number six part of it, that's all you'll be doing every day on this platform, is once you come into this, log into this platform, go ahead and click on your daily check-in, then the general. This is it. Let me show you example of what I'm saying. Once you come in, click on the daily check-in, then click on the general. That's all you have to be doing every day. Then least I forget to tell you, there's this part of this platform you really need to take very serious. Okay, that's where you see your your area check code. All right, so you quickly have to go and paste it somewhere. This is it, this particular code you see here. Copy it, then go and paste it somewhere very safe, because you'll be needing it. Do not misplace it. It is very important. Okay, now let's go ahead and check other things we need to do on this platform. Then remember, I told you that one of the most important and vital things you do on this platform is coming here every day, click on the daily and click on the general. These are the most important thing you do. Now let's quickly check visit this place. I've visited them this morning, then it's already blank. It's one of your work every morning. Once you come, every 24 hours when you come, just kindly come here, click on the check-in, click on the daily, the general, then you check in wherever you're needed to check in. Then these are where your tokens are being seen. Please, very active, make sure you're very active on this platform, because they are actually doing well. All right, the web page is seriously on fire. You don't really need to skip any section on this platform. Okay, make sure you're actively doing what is very important on this platform. Then the next one you need to do is make sure you check on your master key. Very important. If you don't save your master key, let me quickly show you where you will see your master key. If you do not save your master key, sorry, you'll be having a lot of problems by the time this token will be listed. Okay, so make sure you are saving your master key. Master key, very important. You can quickly copy it, then you go and save it somewhere. This is the way I just copied my own to save it somewhere. They said the master key is an essential key for resetting the password in case you leave it. Now most platform calls this passphrase. Okay, but in this area platform they call it master key. So you copy your master key, make sure you're pasting it very safe place, because you're going to be needing it. Now the next one, they said if you lose the master key, there is no way to find it. So take note of this. If you lose the master key, there's no way to find it. This is your passphrase, and you seriously need to take care of it. Make sure it is saved somewhere, because 100% of your activeness on this platform is your master key. Okay, so make sure you're not losing your master key for any reason. Kindly copy your master key, paste it somewhere, and keep it somewhere safe. Master key is a key that changed when the password is changed. When changing the password, be sure it is saved and actively saved. So make sure you're saving your master key. Now, in most cases, when you're registering on this platform, you will just see the master key on your screen. Please screenshot and save. But most times, if you do not save your master key, just quietly come on the three dots, click on it, click on the save icon, then you see where they say view your master key. Type in your password, then you will see your master key. Please and please, you do not have a faith on this platform when you lose your master key. Very important. There are people who do not take their master keys very serious. Your master key determines how effective you are on ARI Chain. Please make sure you click and drop your master key on a safe place. So like I rightly told you, all you need to do every day, come to your daily section and your general section and do your tax. That's all you have to do every day on this platform. Okay, now if you have any question pertaining this platform, the comment section is open for you. Please kindly drop a fake question on this platform. I'll be right here to answer you. This is a very wonderful platform, and it is not scam, it is legit. All right, the listing is currently on the way, and I wouldn't want any human being to get lost on this platform. Make sure you are actively doing what is necessary on this platform. Keep mining, keep mining. There are hope. there is hope. Our hope is just very strong on this platform. The web is currently on fire. People are generating tokens. All right. So if actually you're mining on this platform, a big congratulations to you, and make sure you keep mining. You keep mining. Okay. All right. So please, like I said, if you've not joined any of my platforms, quickly join, because I have a lot of updates I'm going to be putting you through, and you still see people who have mindset you do have on different paying updates. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on your notification button so that whenever I drop beautiful updates, because I'm going to be dropping updates, ideas, and money making updates every day. Okay, I'm still going to bringing you different resolution about this area wallet. So it's very important you join the group. Okay, thank you, and I love you so much. I'll meet you right back. Bye bye.